Hey everyone, Casey here. Today we're going to go over the Euronet Profits exchange system. This is my second day to try this. Yesterday I did it and then looked down and realized I never hit record, so yeah. One thing I will say though is with this exchange platform, the one caveat is, at least it happened yesterday, after I exchanged coins and then went to withdraw the Bitcoin, it put it in a manual review. So, and according to their little message, it's like 1 to 4 days if I remember correctly. So, we're going to do it again today and see. So, we're going to kind of walk through the process and walk through some things to think about too. So I currently have $14.83 in my account balance with some Litecoin, some Dogecoin, and some Ethereum. We're going to transfer all of that to Bitcoin and then just pull out the Bitcoin. So come up here to exchange. Now keep in mind they have a 6% fee for every time you do an exchange. It's supposed to be used just to offset the cost of keeping the reserve balances stable. So first let's do Litecoin to Bitcoin. You'll notice it goes from 630 to 360, wow, to 338. So that's the 6%. We're gonna come over here to the Exodus wallet. Check the exchange. So 3.6 to Bitcoin would be $1. So one thing I've noticed that for smaller amounts, exchanging through like this, through the Exodus wallet and other places, will take more fees from you. If you exchange a smaller amount on Euronet Profits, then it's worth it. Yesterday I was trying to exchange like $200 in Ethereum to Bitcoin, and the fee here was the 6%, and on Exodus wallet it was less than 1% just because of the amount. So always check and make sure that you're not going to get screwed over on fees for exchanging. So figure out which one's going to be the best and work it from there. So let's go ahead and exchange. It's going to ask you to make sure 360 Litecoin to 338 Bitcoin. Hit confirm. Return to the exchange center. So now we have our Bitcoin in there. We'll do the same thing for Ethereum. And then one last time for Dogecoin. So now we have $14.23 of just straight Bitcoin. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and do the withdrawal. Because I want to see if it actually holds it as a manual review. Click the Bitcoin. It's going to ask for my 2FA. Wow, that's a whole lot of listed 2FA codes. Let me pull it up on my phone real quick. Oh, money was sent to the wallet. And there it just hit. Come back over here. Go to wallet, and there's my Bitcoin. So, I don't know why that happened yesterday. I can show you draw history. Yeah, so here's the one that's pending. $20 worth. So, if anything, I'll give them another 24 hours and then message them. So, not that worried about it. I know they've been a little busy with the whole, let's see if they still have the message. They don't have the message up anymore. So, we'll give them a little bit of time. Because I can't remember if it said 1 to 2 days or 1 to 4 days. So, if y'all have any questions about the exchange system, just hit me up, let me know. That's kind of weird that I have a 2-cent account balance, but it's not tied to any coin. But yeah, hit me up if you want to try this site out. My link will be below. It's what, 15.15% per hour. So it is a longer time investment return type of program. So it takes about 29 days for you to get your original amount out. And then after that, it's just profit from it. So y'all keep it up. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.